So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will show you top 10 best meme coins that can give us 100 to 1000x profit in this mega bull here. Okay, all these meme coins are very amazing meme coin. I'm already sharing this meme coin with you from time to time, but in this video, I will cover all the top 10 best meme coins. Okay, that will give us the highest profit in this mega bull here. So friends, our first meme coin is Vita Inu coin. Okay, here you can see current market cap ranking is 1129 number ranking. Current price is 7 zeros, and this is very low cap meme coin because I'm trying to share those meme coins with you that market cap is very low. Okay, that can give us 10,000x profit here. Okay, just like Pepe coin, just like Shiba Inu coin. Okay, here you can see its market cap is just $19 million only. Okay, only $19 million market cap here. And friends, recently this meme coin was listed on a major exchange, KuCoin, and maybe in future we can see its more and more major exchange listings here. Okay, and after that we can see its market cap into the $1 billion here because we are near to the mega bull run. Okay, so in mega bull run, definitely Vita Inu coin can perform really amazing, and maybe coin can be the next 1,000 to 10,000x potential meme coin here. Friends, the second meme coin is the native cat of the Solana ecosystem. Here you can see Minik's name 547 number current market cap ranking here, and its market cap is here you can see just $77 million market cap. Okay, under $100 million market cap. So this is really amazing, and this is Solana's native cat theme meme coin. So this is amazing, and this very newly launched meme coin. Okay, just launched 11 days ago. Okay, here you can see cat theme meme coin on Solana blockchain. We are 68% down than its all-time high because right now entire crypto market is again dumping. Okay, so this can be the good buying opportunity for us. Okay, in this meme coin. Okay, here you can see already listed on HTX, Create.io, MEXC, Crypto.com has recently added this coin, KuCoin, Bitmart, too many exchanges has listed this meme coin. So in Mega Bull, definitely this meme coin can perform really amazing, and its market cap can goes from $77 million here. Okay, so $77 million to maybe $7 billion. This meme coin can give us 100 to 1000x profit here. Friends, our third meme coin is Kukino coin. Okay, this is the more party potential and more powerful meme coin on AVAX blockchain. Okay, this was the first meme coin on AVAX blockchain. That's why this meme coin was really amazing. Okay, and listed onto many best exchanges. Okay, and last year December, here you can see market cap is $192 million market cap. But because this is the first meme coin on AVAX chain, so I think this market cap is nothing for this meme coin. Okay, it can do really amazing. Here you can see Avex ecosystem, a launch ecosystem. We are 57% down than its all-time high and 3200% up than its all-time low. Already listed on KuCoin exchange, Bybit exchange, Get.io, too many exchanges. And this is the meme coin that can be listed on Binance exchange. Okay, in coming months. Yeah, okay, definitely KuCoin will be listed on Binance exchange. I think its market cap can goes in this mega bullion up to $5 to $10 billion here. Okay, from $192 million to $5 to $10 billion in coming mega bull run. Okay, Kukinu has still potential to give us 100,000x profit here. So friends, number fourth meme coin is Voltinu coin. Okay, 964 number market cap ranking. Current market cap is just $26 million only. Okay, only $26 million market cap, and this meme coin is very amazing. Here you can see this is not just a meme coin, but very potential and very usable meme coin. Here you can see gaming, NFT, play to earn, and dog theme meme coins. Okay, we are 87% down than its all-time high. Okay, so its all-time high was 2 years ago, and we are 87% down than its all-time high, and already listed on Kucoin exchange, Get.io, HTX, MEXC, too many exchanges. And maybe in future we can see it's listing on Binance exchange also. Still, you can see Bitcoin and all the crypto market is dumping, but its price last 24-hour trading volume is amazing, $9.4 million. So it means coin is not dead, coin is active. Okay, so that's why Voltinu can perform really amazing, or and its market cap can goes from $26 million to maybe $3 to $5 billion in coming mega bullion year. First, number fifth meme coin is Myro coin. Okay, I shared this meme coin long time ago with you when its price was 0.002 or $0.05. Okay, when its market cap was just 10 to 15 million dollars market cap, when this meme coin was only listed on MEX exchange, I shared this meme coin with you. You can still check out the video on my channel. And right now, you can see its price is $1.67. Current market cap ranking is 333 number. Okay, current market cap is 167 million dollars. Okay, so now market cap is increased, but this meme coin is very potential meme coin, and maybe we can see this meme coin up to $10 price in this bull run, in this mega bull run. Here you can see already hit $0.4. Okay, it's all time high, and we are 62% down than its all time high, and we are 800, okay, sorry, 8,000% up than its all time low that was 6 months ago. And already listed on Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin Exchange, Bioeconomy, and maybe Binance can list Myrocoin also. Okay, here you can see its market cap. Okay, can goes from $167 million to maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars in coming mega bull run. Myrocoin has still potential to give us 100x profit here. First, number six meme coin is Cat in a Dog plus Mu symbol, 200 number market cap ranking. Current price $0.004 here. That is dropped by almost 4% last 24 hours. But as entire crypto market is dumping, so you can check out his price is dump in 30 days, in 40 days. Okay, that's good for us to make a good entry in this meme coin, because this is another very potential strong meme coin on Solana ecosystem. Here you can see its market cap is $370 million, $71 million market cap. Okay, $371 million market cap, and this is not a old meme coin. Here you can see this meme coin was just launched a month ago. Okay, so within the month, its market cap is $371 million market cap. So it means coin is very potential, and maybe we can see this meme coin on Binance exchange also. Okay, because of its very hype. Okay, on Solana chain you can see listed on Gate.io, OKX, KuCoin Exchange, CoinX, Bybit. Okay, and maybe Binance can also list this meme coin, and its market cap that can goes from $371 million to maybe 10 to 20 billion dollars in this coming bull run. Okay, and Binance can also list this meme coin. Okay, I'm already holding this meme coin on KuCoin Exchange. Okay, so this meme coin has still potential to give us 100x profit from its current market cap also. First, number seventh meme coin is Bread meme coin. Okay, right now its prices dumped here too much, but this is the most powerful, okay, and most famous meme coin on Bass blockchain. You can see $0.03 price, 226 number market cap ranking, and this meme coin is still not listed on any tier one exchange. Okay, and here you can see its price is also dumping, so this can be the good to make entry in this meme coin price. Okay, you can see in last 30 days price is dumped by 48%. In last 14 days prices jumped by 43%. Current market cap is $319 million market cap. Trading volume of 17.6 million dollars. So this is amazing. Here you can see chain is best. Okay, so this is good, and we are 56% down than its all-time high. So this is again good to we can make a good entry in this meme coin price, and we are 4,000% up than its all-time lows. That's amazing. Okay, coin is listed on Gate.io. Bybit has recently listed this meme coin, but this meme coin is not listed on KuCoin Exchange or any tier one exchange. So when this meme coin will be listed on these type of exchanges, then definitely this meme coin can perform really amazing. And this is the meme coin that definitely will list on Binance exchange also, and its market cap can goes from $300 million to maybe $30 billion. Okay, still Brett has potential to give us 100 to 1000x potential. Okay, its market cap can goes to $30 billion. Okay, mark my words, that is market cap can goes to $30 billion in coming mega bullion here. So first, number eight meme coin is AI Dogecoin. Okay, one of my favorite meme coin. I'm already holding this meme coin. Okay, this is the most famous meme coin on Arbitrum's blockchain. Okay, 546 number current market cap ranking. Current price is 9 zeros here. Okay, $77 million market cap. So market cap is good. Trading volume is $11.9 million. So that's also good. Okay, and coin is working on Arbitrum's blockchain. Here you can see Arbiscan and very solid number of folders. We are 63% down than its all-time high that was a year ago, and we are 764% up than its all-time low. Coin is still not listed on any tier one exchange. You can see BingX, OKX, okay, Bitget exchange has listed this coin, but I think in this year we can see its major exchange listing also, and then its market cap will be shoot up from $77 million to maybe $500 million or maybe $1 billion here. Okay, but in next year in mega bullion, definitely its market cap can goes up to $7 billion from $77 million. This is the meme coin that can goes to 1000x here. Okay, still this meme coin has potential to give us 1000x profit here. Friends, number ninth meme coin is Pepe coin. Okay, Pepe coin is already pumped huge here and already give us 10,000x profit. But because Pepe is facing his first bull run here, so still Pepe has potential to give us 100x profit. Okay, no doubt his market cap is already $3.5 billion. Okay, but this market cap can goes from $3.5 billion to maybe 50 to $60 billion in coming mega bull run here. Okay, trading volume is nearly $1 billion here, so this is really amazing. We are just 20% down. Okay, just 20% down than its all-time high. Okay, almost we are trading on its all-time high, but we are 15,000% up than its all-time low. Coin is listed on almost every exchange, listed on Binance, so it means listed on every exchange. But Pepe coin has potential to give us still 100x profit. Pepe's market cap can goes to 50 to maybe $60 billion in this bull run. And friends, 10th number meme coin is Floki Inu coin. This is the meme coin that can give us the highest profit in the meme coin category by the end of this bull run, because this is very potentially strong meme coin, very useful meme coin. Okay, ecosystem is amazing. Okay, current price is 3 zeros, but this meme coin can be the next Dogecoin, as Dogecoin was initially launched with I think 6 to 7 zeros, but right now Dogecoin has no zero in its price. So Floki Inu can repeat the same story in this bull run. Okay, already has the market cap of $1.7 billion. Okay, already listed on almost every exchange, listed on Binance exchange, so it means listed on every exchange. Gamify, NFT, Metaverse. Okay, and DWF Labs Portfolio has investment in this meme coin. Token Fire Launchpad. So this is really amazing, and its market cap that I think can goes from $1.7 billion to maybe $80 billion here. Okay, maybe 80 to $100 billion here. So Floki is really amazing. Whales are liking this meme coin. Elon Musk has already tweeted about this meme coin, so its price can goes from 80 to 100 billion in this coming bull run. And maybe Flokinu can kill all zeros from its price in this bull run. Flokinu is the meme coin that can give us 1000x profit, and this meme coin can give us the highest profit in this bull run. Okay, so these are my top 10 best meme coin. What are the meme coin that I have should add these in this list? Okay, you can must comment down below that I will study them, and I will add these meme coin, okay, in next videos.